Ah, mais t'as fini? Non, attends, il a pas fini.
I'm working on videos. Kids are still asleep. Kids are still sleeping. They're so jet lagged. Police. I'm gonna take another bite. Can I tell you that I ate that croissant and I can take a bite of this and I will still make weight because I've already lost weight and I haven't even sweated so cold. And just the food here is so good. Well, it's like around 2. It's 2 p.m. and they close at 2:30. So we're getting so far with the kids. It's in the neighborhood. We drove over here and we're trying to figure out how to order. We came to an IKEA just to hang out and looking at stuff. It's so cute. I want everything from here. Small. It's Rafa. What's up, Rafa?
Hello.
Hello. This is the vlog. What else? Nothing. We're just hanging out, just looking at the IKEA, looking at all the cute stuff, and hanging out with the kids.
Vamos.
Picture, Anita.
Hey, Omar, but look up here. Matías.
Yeah.
All right, got it.
Cute. Isn't this too cute, Ori? This is too cute.
Oh, that's great.
Look at this for the toys. Come here, Ori. Ori, look.
¿Heladito, mami?
See?
¿Tienes heladito? Ok. ¿Tiene calorcito? Ah, ya le quitaste el helado.
Esteban, ¿y el jetón de mano? ¿Era el último?
Ok. Ven, Oriana. Ya.
No, Mateo, deja de decir algo.
Ven, dale aquí el pedacito ahí. Sí.
Let me see. No te vayas a llenar de helado el pelo. Is it good?
Yep. It's good.
I bet it is. ¿Y Oriana ya?
Ven, ya vamos a comer helado ahí.
Qué lindo. Ori. Ay.
Music licensing reimagined.
Para que la malla no se haga el peso de la malla.
You know what Omar wants for dinner?
Arepita.
And my children?
Arepita.
So I'm making arepitas. Arepitas are done. And they love arepitas too. I love that they do. Obviously my kids love arepita. And here's the arepitas. Bon appetit.
Oh, this is proof that every other kid will like, or not,
Just wait until you thank you.
excuse me, but this is proof that most other kids from different, even different states or different continent, they probably like arepitas.
Yep, arepitas are the
They're
best.
good. They're the best.
They are.
Try it.
80.
Well, gracias, María Ángel,
Oh,
por
merci
estas
beaucoup.
super arepas.
T'inquiète.
Merci beaucoup.
¡Ey! Soné. ¿Cómo? Voy. Salud.
Salud.
Ah, no, tenemos que vernos a los ojos.
Salud.
Omar. Salud. Got it.
No sé si me estoy esperando un ingrediente, una vaina, pero no saben, no es lo mismo.
¿Es la misma masa o no? En otra vaina.
No, marico, no sé, la masa allá es diferente que la de Venezuela. La de Venezuela sabía diferente. Yo me acuerdo que lo que me gustaba a mí era que yo las pelaba así, las sacaba los pellejitos así de la vergo.
Eso siempre dice él y quiere
las
que
estaban
cuando las hace,
Eso es lo que buscas.
cuando las hace,
Sí.
si lo busca y te dice, conchale, todavía esa no es. Él me dice, esa no. Yep, that's good. Is that the bread? Is this the bottom bread? Oh no, that's cheese. No, this is bread. You put cheese, lettuce, cheese, tomato, and then bread. It's cold, the window, so it's not sticky. Good job. Ori, how you doing? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Wow, Ori!